Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to install Apache Kafka. Okay. For this we need to do some of the things. Okay. Before that we can see that how we can able to download for this Apache. Okay. Now here once you open any web browser, okay, you have to search for Apache Kafka. Okay. Once you search the Apache Kafka, there is default it will be there Apache Kafka. Okay, this org application, this is a default application house. Okay, we need to click here. You can able to see this all the information they have provided here. Okay, in this there is a download location, you need to click, and here it will be a 3.8 9.0 is the latest version. You can download here. Okay, and here which one you need to download from, there is a binary. Okay, in this location there are two things will be there. You can use for 2.1.3 or 2.1.2, any one of them you can able to click and download that particular file. Okay, any binary file you can able to download. Okay, once you downloaded, it will come and sit into and download location. Okay, like this I have downloaded for 2.1.2. Okay, 2.1.2 I have downloaded. This is the first one. Okay, and 3 9.0. Okay, after you got it right, you have to explore this one. It's a zip file you need to explore. Okay, once you get the explorer, and you can able to keep it into any folder location, that particular file. Okay, after that you need to download for, there is one more thing, offsite explorer. Okay, this file also you have to download. Okay, once you get Google again, I'll tell you why it is required also, because we need to see that offsites how much explore it is happen and all. Okay, this is the location, it will be there. Click on here. Okay, you will get for all the kind of features how this offset explorer and what it will be provided. This is completely GUI format. GUI format, why we are going to use, right? A producer messages and consumer consume the information, right? That flow we need to see. That moment you can able to use this particular tool. Okay, this will provide as a JSON XML file, everything we can able to print it. Okay, click on downloaders. Okay, once you click, and there will be a things will be there. Okay, we can based upon that you can able to Mac, you can download this one. Windows, you can download this one. Okay, Linux, you can download this one. If your Windows system is 64-bit, you can download 32-bit in this one. Okay, once you download it, it will keep in your system. Okay, once both are there, and you can this one Kafka you can able to explode at, after that it will unzip that entire file, and I have kept into in this location here, D drive, and here you can able to see my entire Kafka will be presented. Okay, there is no installation, you can able to keep it and provided that location. Okay, and this one, right? What all the things will be there inside the Kafka? Kafka, you can see bin folder. Inside the bin folder, you can see Windows. This is the related to Windows installation, and this is Mac related installation. Okay. And Windows, if you go for inside, this is a bat files. If you see for Mac, there's a shell script will be presented. Okay. And Kafka, in configuration, these are all our configuration related stuff. This is a Kafka configuration for zookeeper and producers and consumers, and here the consumer one, and here is a producer. This is a Kafka server, and if you want to do for zookeeper start properties, and this is the zookeeper properties. Okay, and we are already discussed in the starting time also. Zookeeper is going to vanished, and only we can able to careft. Okay, careft. Careft is the tool they can able to use instead of zookeeper. Okay, they have also like a broker, controller, country configuration servers, and so on servers. Okay, all the things they are, it is presented in libraries also. You can able to see all kind of libraries they can able to provide in this particular file. Moreover, we can able to use two things. One is bin, another one is Kafka. Bin folder, it is having for all kind of connections. Like if you see here, there is a Kafka. this is a zookeeper. Okay, zookeeper start and stop. Okay, and the similar format of you can see Kafka server start and stop. Okay, if you see there is a producer also. Okay, Kafka producers. Okay, Kafka producers also they can able to provide Kafka console producers. Here console consumer it is there, and console producer also will be there. 1 minute somewhere it is there. Kafka, and here we can see here Windows location, consumer and producer. Sorry, and here also consumer and producers both is there. Similar for consumer and producer. Here both the things. Okay, Kafka console iPhone producer and Kafka console consumer. Okay, both the things we can able to how we can start that zookeeper and server, and how we can able to produce that producers and consumers we can see into coming session. Okay, this is a simple installation, and we started one more thing that is called offsets, right? This is basically offset. We are going to see that how the real message and how they are going to create the clusters and topics and producers and the leader of the topic, how that is built there. We can see in that in this location. Okay, and also we can see for their normal way also. Okay, and offset installation. Yeah, 1 minute. It is taking time to load for PPT. And offset is by default late. Once you downloaded that entire thing, it will be the once you click the double click of that exe file, it will open like this. Okay, you need to click on next. Once you click the next, you need to accept that acceptance criteria agreement, and then you need to click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you to where we need to install this particular file. You can able to choose for C drive, or if you can able to click on browser and choose for any location where you want to store that particular file. Okay, once you done, click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you for these other things, not required to change anything. You can click on next. Okay, once you click that, it will start for installation. Once you've done the installation, it will come for finish, and you can able to click that one. Okay, once you finish it, right, you can able to search offset explorer, then automatically can see the top 30. Okay, and click, you can able to see for that entire, you can able to see I have created previous, it will be a connected because my server is not there, that's why you can able to see for connection it will be a take time. Okay, and if you see these connections, and you can able to inside that we can see for all kind of like producers, consumers, and topics and everything. You can see in this particular location the flow of that. Okay, we can see that as well into the upcoming session. Okay, in case if maybe you will get one more question, how we can able to install our Mac also similar format. There is no different of installation. This is like a just install next. You can able to do it. And Mac, how they are going to do, I don't know exactly, but you can able to download this particular Mac installer binary format. You can able to do your own structure. Okay, automatically it will install. Okay, and that Kafka also same format. Only one thing, you need to unzip that particular file. Once you unzip, automatically that file having for Mac related stuff and also Windows related stuff into that particular folder itself. Okay, no need to bother about that Kafka one. Okay, we'll see in the next video session how we can able to start our server. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.